Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a bucket or a tub. Now we need the lid. Let's decorate it with stickers. First, we need to find the top of the lid, which is an uppercase and lowercase f. Now let's put the sticker on the tub. It is a F, uppercase and lowercase. Now let's do the bottom of the lid with the uppercase and lowercase f. All right. First, we need to find the uppercase F. There it is. Perfect. Now, let's find the lowercase f. There it is. F. Now, the first thing we want to find is a football. Football is a fun game. Football. Next, let's find a fish. I see one. It's a goldfish. Wow, so pretty. Next, we need a fan. A fan blows air so you can cool down. Next is the number 4. There it is, 4. Now I'm looking for a feather. Wow, it's a purple feather. Amazing. Next is a fork. We use a fork to eat food. Wow, we did it. Let's review and put things in the bucket. First, we need the uppercase F. Now the lowercase f. How about the football? The fish. Fish swam away. Now let's find the fan. And now we need the number 4. How about the feather? And finally, the last thing, the fork. Wow, what a great job. Let's put the lid on it. Wow, that's the letter F. The next letter is G. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.